Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to enable auto delete messages on Telegram. It's very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application on your mobile phone. After opening the application, you will see a hamburger menu on the top left corner. So tap on it. Then you will see different options. So tap on settings. Then on the next page you will see an option privacy and security. So tap on it. In the privacy and security you will see the option auto delete messages. Tap on it. Then in the auto delete messages section you will see different time frames to auto delete the message, like after 1 day, after 1 week, or after 1 month. And in the end you will see the option set custom time. So I will set custom time. Simply tap on it. You can select from 1 day to 1 year. I am selecting 2 days. You can set according to your requirement. Then tap on set auto delete. Now the messages will be auto deleted after 2 days. And this is how you can enable auto delete messages on Telegram.